all Pilates classes include a warm-up phase. But if you've ever moved to the shorter class and you wanted an even more extended warm-up, this sequence of exercises is going to be perfect to pair with a shorter Pilates class. You can even do this before a cardiovascular workout or first thing in the morning just to help the body wake up and feel good. This comment from a recent video from Sage4061 shared, "Great class, hamstrings are warmed up and ready for the day. Thank you." And that's really the benefit of Pilates, is it can warm us up for the day or be a really challenging workout. What we're focusing on today is a nice warm up. If you're ready to get started with this class, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and get started laying down onto your mat. Knees can be bent, feet on the mat, arms by your side. And to begin with, notice the weight in the feet, the pelvis, along the spine, arms, shoulders, and head. Allow yourself to tap into the rhythm of your breath. Deep breath in, long breath out. If you'd like, you can breathe in through the nose. Long breath out through the mouth. And through this session, sync your movements with your breath. Even if that means you're not going to match my movements exactly, that's fine. Your next breath out, curl pelvis and spine off the mat. This can be small at first and rolling right back down, or maybe you go into your full pelvic curl, bigger expression. Again, what's going to help warm up your back? And sometimes the sequential, smaller movement is helpful. Other times your body may feel more ready to go bigger range of motion sooner. So let's prioritize sensations and keeping shoulders, arms heavy, and suppleness through back. Continuing to breathe deeply. We want to take our time with this exercise and make sure to do enough of them so we really are warming up the body. Let's do about 2 more times. Next time you lower down, keep your spine and pelvis down on the mat. Reach your arms up to the ceiling and try to touch the ceiling fingers and let the arms be heavy. So some scapular movements. Again, if you'd like, you can sync this with breath, where you inhale, reach. Exhale, let the shoulders and arms be heavy. Next time, shoulders and arms sink down. Keep them heavy. Interlace the fingers, a nice basket weave with the fingers. Hands come behind the head. Inhale, prepare. And exhale, curl up. Upper ab curl. Inhale to lower back down. Your breath out to curl up. Inhale to lower. No matter where you are in the range of motion, continue to let the head be heavy on the hands. Now, next time you curl up, we'll stay up for a few deep breaths. So exhale, curl up, inhale, pause up. Exhale, stay curled up, inhale, pause. You can maintain your curl or shoulders and head lower down. Lift one leg up. Foot taps down. Opposite leg lifts. Foot taps. If you're maintaining your upper ab curl, keep trying to curl up a little higher while keeping head heavier along the hands. Both feet stay down, lower shoulders and head down. Very nice. Allow the arms to open across from the shoulders, shoulders and arms wide. Squeeze the legs in towards one another. Gentle supine twist. Inhale over. Exhale back to center. And switch sides. Imagine riding your breath. So elongate your breath, longer movements then. Now you can continue to keep the feet down or legs tabletop. That would be a little bit more challenging. What does your body need right now? Maybe it's not a more challenging expression. You just let maybe your neck relax a little bit more, shoulders heavier. One last time. Very nice. Allow yourself to come up, and if it's comfortable, sit in a Z position here. Leg that's behind you, take that hand down, reach free arm up. Side stretch or side bend over, coming right back up again. Bend over side and up. Continue breathing deeply. Inhale or exhale. Just follow the rhythm that feels best for you. Take the hand down, opposite arm lifts, and bend over second side. Think about lifting and lengthening further up as you go over. Last time. Very nice. And now switch the cross of the legs, so opposite mermaid position here. Hand to shin, free arm lifts, bend over side. And of course, if cross like this doesn't feel comfortable, you can sit just regular cross-legged or even legs straight in front of you. Hand down, opposite arm lifts, bend over side. Another time here. Very nice. Come up on two knees. Take one foot in front of you. Back knee can stay down. A little press forward. A little press forward. Press forward. And gently just press the leg back. So we press the pelvis forward for about 3 gentle pulses. And then front leg presses back. You can, of course, do this with back leg straight. Whatever feels nice right now. And another time here. Very nice. Switch sides. Take opposite foot in front. And go into your little press, press, press. Pelvis reaches back. Allow yourself continue to breathe deeply. Two more times through. Very nice. Both feet come underneath you. Now hands will be on thighs. Hands on thighs. Start to give yourself a little extension with spine. And then go back natural curves. And give yourself a little extension spine. So you can use your hands a lot on thighs or not much at all. Small spine extension. Still breathing deeply. Two more times. Very nice. And then bring yourself up all the way to standing. Press into the feet evenly here. Small knee bend and straight. Sink as deeply as you can, keeping the heels down. Two more times. Now, keep toes and balls of feet heavy. Lift heels up and down. Just a little bit of balance up. Skim the mat. As smooth and as steady as possible here. And one last time. Very nice. Heels stay down. Take a deep breath for yourself in and out. And hopefully that class was just what you needed. And if you enjoyed this Pilates warm-up, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. I hope you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.